I'm Scott Goldsmith. My wife Cherie is our camera person this morning, and we're here with Nickie Sacco, our North Carolina Farm Bureau agent, and she's our go-to gal as far as all of our personal insurance needs, as well as our clients. Good morning, Nickie.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm doing great, and yourself, I hope.
Wonderful.
Tell us a little bit about what you do and what you offer.
Well, I'm an agent for North Carolina Farm Bureau Insurance, and I offer home, auto, business, life insurance, and we do have Farm Bureau Bank also. We try to have the best competitive rates and try to be there. Our logo is helping you is what we do best. So I try to be, here for our customers even after hours and on weekends, because I know everybody has a work schedule that we need to work around and help.
And we can attest to that with our clientele. We found Nickie go above and beyond the call on many occasions, and she goes out on weekends, nights if necessary. And this is something that's, in today's world, it's hard to find people that do anything with a personal touch. Nickie and I are both natives of Pennsylvania County and Brevard, both very proud of the little town that we were born and raised in. Tell us a little bit about your experience this year and how you feel about where we live, where we're from.
I love Brevard. Being from here, I graduated Brevard High School in 1992, and my daughter in 2013. So people who come here from out of state, they think it's small. Our small town living is, a little different from other places. We are very fortunate to have, and as we've talked about before, I think it's a compliment when people move here from out of state. We were very fortunate to grow up here our entire lives and see this area grow, and people come here and like, oh, we love it. And so I think it's a great compliment.
I'm prone to agree. Of course, the town has changed a lot. You mentioned your graduation date. I'm going to give mine. I graduated in 1978. I am kind of an antique, and of course, the town has changed a great deal over the years. But by the same token, it has remained Mayberry basically, and I think that's what we both love about Brevard. It's simple.
We've grown. We've got all these little microbreweries popping up. We've always had our beautiful mountains and everything like that, and everybody's just kind of expanding. And it's new and it's different and it's beautiful. You can't help. There's no other words to explain it. And people come to see our white squirrels.
Absolutely.
I get emails, I'm like, oh, can you see the white squirrels? Every day.
And of course, this is the land of waterfalls for more than one reason. Obviously, especially this year. We've got over 250 waterfalls here in Pennsylvania County, but it's rained and rained and rained, which I guess a lot of claims, a lot of insurance-related things are happening.
We do, and another thing I want to point out, in North Carolina, Farm Bureau is #1 in our claims. So people actually move to our companies. I've had a couple of customers move from other companies because one of my insureds had an accident with them, and they're like, well, you've done so well for us. Can you give me a quote? And so that actually something that I'm very proud to share for Farm Bureau.
And that was something, a little known fact even for us. Certainly glad to hear that, since you insure all of our stuff. Can't think of any other questions that I might have. Is there anything that you'd like to say in closing?
No, I appreciate you guys giving me this opportunity, and again, we want to welcome people to Brevard.
Absolutely.
Whether it's, a permanent primary resident or a secondary home, people love this area, and we're very fortunate they want to live here.
Absolutely, we are. Nickie, it's been a pleasure.
Awesome. Thank you
very
so
much.
much. Thank you guys.